How to scrape data from any website online without getting caught, for free. Why scrape web data into Google Sheets? Easy organization in Google Sheets, real-time updates, robust data analysis tools, seamless integration with other apps, cloud-based accessibility, enhanced decision-making with up-to-date data. Formula 1 Importable. Easily import tables or lists from HTML pages into your spreadsheets. Ideal for static web pages to keep your data structured and organized. Formula 2 Import Data. Great for extracting data from CSV or TSV files. Just specify the URL and voila, your spreadsheet populates with the data. Formula 3 Import Feed. Stay updated with the latest blog posts, news, and website updates by importing RSS or Atom feeds directly into Google Sheets, perfect for content tracking. Formula 4 Import XML, a versatile tool for scraping data from XML, HTML, CSV, TSV, and RSS/Atom feeds. Just provide the URL and XPath expression for precise data extraction. Limitations. Alternatives. While these formulas are powerful, they might not work for dynamic websites. Check out third-party platforms like Bardeen for more advanced scraping needs. Bardeen. Beyond formulas, integrate Bardeen with Google Sheets for a seamless scraping experience. It's free to start and offers AI features, ideal for scraping dynamic content. Let's discuss some Google Sheets automations in Bardeen for web scraping. If you have a list of links, this automation will populate each row with their content. This can be a massive help in streamlining data collection for research or analysis. This automation allows you to gather search engine results page, SERP, data for a list of keywords in your Google Sheets spreadsheet. Beyond that, it also saves the article details in new tabs, aiding SEO and marketing efforts. If you want to collect LinkedIn companies in a Google Sheets spreadsheet, use this automation to skip all the copy-pasting. With just a few clicks, it'll import all the necessary data for a company into any spreadsheet of your choice. Easily add LinkedIn profiles and others to a Google Sheets spreadsheet for hiring or influencer purposes. Automate content analysis and organization. Open a website, run the automation, and it creates a summary, identifies keywords, and stores results in a spreadsheet. Want to store a Twitter thread for later reference and analysis? Open it and run this automation. It'll scrape all the tweets from it, condense it into a summary, and save it to a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this thread helpful. Try it here, Bardeen.ai.